Tutorial 360. Today we are going to find out the valence electrons of silicon, right? To find out the valence electron of silicon, we have to look at the periodic table, right? So from periodic table, we see that the symbol for silicon is Si and its atomic number is 14. This means that it has silicon has 14 proton and 14 electrons, right? As you know that the charge of proton and charge of electrons is equal but opposite. However, now we need to do the electronic configuration of silicon. As you know that silicon has 14 electrons. We'll use this diagram to write the electronic configuration of silicon. So let me remind you, S subshell can take maximum 2, P subshell can take maximum 6, and D subshell can maximum 10, and F subshell can take maximum 14. However, the subshell and orbitals are different. P subshell has 3 orbitals, that is px, py, pz. D has 5 orbitals, F have 7 orbitals, and S has 1 orbitals, that is S. So let me write the electronic configuration of silicon. You know that first 2 electron will go to 1s, then 2 electron will take 2s. So we have to put here 2. Then we have to put here 6 electron to 2p6, right? And then we have to put 2 electron to 3s2. And now we need to add these electrons. 2 plus 6, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. We need 2 more electrons. After 3s, we have to put 2 electron to 2 after 3s, right? After 3s, we have to take 3p. So now we'll write here 3p, and we have to place here 2 electron. So 2 plus 2 plus 10, 12, 14. So this is the electronic configuration of silicon, right? Now we'll identify valence shell. Okay, to valence shell we have to consider the value of n. Here the value of n, or principal quantum number, is 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3. As you know that valence shell indicates the outermost shell, that is we have to consider the highest value of n. So here 3 is the valence shell. So in 3 we are getting 3s2, 3p, 2 subshell. That is why silicon have 2 plus 2, that is 4 electrons out of 14 electrons, right? So silicon has 4 valence electrons. As you know that the electrons of the valence shell are called valence electrons. I have a special blog post on the valence electrons of silicon. You can read that blog post from the description box of this video. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.